What's up everyone, my name is Aditya and welcome to HT Tech. Well guys, in this video, let us discuss about the iPhone 12 mini because in reality, this is a very different type of iPhone. Well guys, first of all, in the launch event itself, Apple gave all of the emphasis towards the iPhone 12 and at the end, for around 2 to 3 minutes, they just told that there is a smaller version of the iPhone 12 and that is the iPhone 12 mini, which has all of the same exact features but a smaller package. But in reality, this iPhone is very weird. First of all, you're talking about a smaller design which many people like, and I personally also, I was using the iPhone SE for a couple of years and I really like the design. Well guys, the form factor is slightly bigger than the previous iPhone SE and slightly smaller than the new iPhone SE. In couple of weeks itself, this phone will be available out in the market and so many people will buy it. The first reason is it starts at $699. In reality, it is still an expensive price tag, but this is the cheapest iPhone in the lineup. But overall, in terms of the price tag also, Apple has played a kind of marketing technique because in reality, the iPhone 12 mini starts at $730. So the $699 offer is locked to few carriers. So guys, the iPhone 12 mini is actually a very good smartphone. You're talking about a small and a portable iPhone, that too with all of the latest internals. You're talking about Apple's A14 chipset and overall it is a very good package. But in reality, if you're a heavy user or even a normal user, you have to charge this particular iPhone 12 mini 2 times a day. First of all, it is already a very small iPhone and you cannot break the fundamental laws of physics and add a bigger battery because already the body is very small, and even if you make a sandwich layer battery, still you can't get a bigger cell in it, and that's the reason why already the iPhone 12 mini is going to be not that good in terms of the battery. But the second reason is you're talking about 5G, and guys, 5G drains the battery very rapidly, and currently also the iPhone 12 Pro or the iPhone 12 aren't that good in terms of the battery life. So the battery life with this particular iPhone might be okay or at least acceptable, but don't at all expect a all-day battery with this kind of smartphone. But overall, if it is not a question about a mid-range phone, you're paying $700 or in India around 70,000 rupees. So definitely you need to have a good smartphone. But if you look in terms of the spec sheet, you're talking about a great fast processor, wireless charging support, a premium body design, and overall it might be a convenient package. But according to Apple, the iPhone 12 mini is just a smaller version of the iPhone 12. So guys, this year, unlike any other year, there are so many alternatives. First of all, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is the best iPhone by Apple. The iPhone 12 Pro is a step below that. The iPhone 12 is again a step below that. And the iPhone 12 mini is again a step below that. So basically, you're talking about a huge difference. Like the iPhone 12 mini starts at $700, whereas the iPhone 12 Pro Max starts at $1,200. So there is definitely a significant difference, but overall Apple has kind of made the entire lineup way more confusing. Because see, if a person is planning to buy the iPhone 12 mini, he will think, if I am getting a bigger smartphone which has no problem related to battery, then I will go for the iPhone 12, and that too starts at 64 GB of storage. And guys, for a person who is planning to buy the iPhone 12, he will think that I will buy the iPhone 12 Pro because I am getting 128 GB of additional storage for more $150. So basically guys, Apple has kind of made the consumers believe that you are getting better if you go a step ahead, and that is the reason why people will actually prefer the more better iPhone. So I still think that the iPhone 12 will be way more popular than the iPhone 12 mini. So guys, this year I am very happy that Apple has made a small iPhone, but in reality the entire concept of a smaller iPhone is to make the iPhone accessible. Well guys, honestly speaking, I personally still believe that the iPhone 12 mini for $730 is kind of overpriced, because honestly speaking you're not getting that good of a battery life. Again, it is a small and a compact smartphone, because of which many people will find it comfortable. But if you look in terms of the overall smartphone landscape, then there are way better alternatives. For that exact price tag, you can get the Google Pixel 5, and other than that, you can even go for the iPhone 11, the iPhone 11 Pro for that kind of price tag. So guys, now let me come to my overall conclusion. Well guys, after a couple of weeks, from 13th of November onwards, this iPhone will be available in the market, and many people will plan to buy this smartphone, and there is no problem. If you are ready to have a smaller battery and overall a compact experience, then you're most welcome. But for majority amount of people, the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro is a clever alternative. And guys, it is kind of a thing, like iPhones last very long. So suppose if you are buying a new iPhone today, you will minimum use it for 3 to 4 years, and you will get software support for around 5 years. So definitely the amount of money that you're paying is for a long-term usage. But guys, I will still recommend you that the iPhone 11 or the iPhone 11 Pro is available for like this price tag, and you can definitely opt for them if you care a lot about the battery. And guys, also in the box you're not getting any charging adapter, no earbuds. So if you'll combine the total of all of the accessories, like a screen protector, like a nice quality cover, a charging adapter, a nice wired earbuds, then you're talking about close to $850 or even $900. So definitely if you can go for the iPhone 12, then you're most welcome. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and guys, I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.